I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lisa Does. Today we're going to make a cute little block called Twist. It's 6.5 inches square and it contains something called partial seams. This block consists of 4 pieces that are 2.5 by 4.5 inch. I call these bricks, and 1 2.5 inch square center square. We start by flipping the center square up onto our first brick. We line it up and we sew halfway down this seam. This is called a partial seam. We open it up and press our seam outward toward the brick. Just like that. Now we can flip this 2.5 by 4.5 inch brick up against the full seam that we have. Line it up and sew. Press that out. Place our third brick up against the seam there. Sew. Press the seam outward. And then flip our fourth brick over onto the block. Because we've only sewn this seam halfway, we have a full seam with which to match our block here. Ta-da! We sew the fourth brick on. And now we can finish our partial seam. Let's flip this over this way. Start where we left off. And finish our seam. And here's our finished block. This block can be set with or without sashing or with a combination of other blocks. It can be done in a variety of sizes, just as long as these bricks finish twice as long as they are wide. For instance, you could do 3.5 by 6.5 inch bricks that finish 3 by 6 and a 3.5-inch center block. That would give you a 9.5-inch block that would finish at 9 inches. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and you can join me for more by hitting the like and subscribe button for more quilting content. Thank you.